There's a lot at stake in this video. We're going to show you a simple hack to put conduit securely into the ground. Stay tuned. It's summertime and a lot of you guys are building outdoors, and you need an easy way to drive conduit and make it sturdy into the ground. One option is to just hammer it into the ground, which ends up destroying the tip of the conduit and is not very strong. We've got a great hack where you take a rebar pin, which is a steel 3/4 inch rod that you get at Lowe's or Home Depot. They're only a couple bucks. Drive that into the ground first, and then it's perfect to slip the conduit over it, and it really is sturdy. Let's put it to test. I'm going to try and rip it out with a one wheel and see what happens.